Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 man, we got a club car DS here. 48 volt DS with an IQ system. Show you how to wire the batteries. There you go. Alright, now what we're doing now, your main negative goes here. Positive, negative, positive. We're going negative in the front battery, middle. Alright, now what we're going to do, we have negative here. I'll put positive in the front on this side. Or if you get a hole in it, whatever, it's covered underneath warranty for 2 years. Alright, here we got, that's your main negative there. Negative here. Like that there. And then we're going here. Going negative here. To positive here. And we haven't wired the controller yet, so we're not going to close the circuits. We'll leave one wire off until we get the controller wired up. And really all you got to do, man, is start where the negative's at and just keep working your way around until you get to the end of it. And you should be negative, positive, negative, positive. Here, negative, positive. Then we have negative right there. And then we'll put the positive toward the outside. And now we're going to do I better paint the butt in. Yep. Yes. I like this. The battery's bigger too. Yeah. Just like that, man. Positive here, negative. Negative to positive. 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 You made negative here. All right, y'all seen it here, man. Stay tuned, man. Hey, hey, hey.